So hello and welcome to this channel. We are going to see the multiplication of two 8-bit numbers in 8051 microcontroller in this video. So let me write the program first for better understanding. Then we will discuss the every single line of the program. So this is the program which will multiply our two 8-bit numbers in 8051 microcontroller. Now let us discuss every single line which is in the code to understand the things better, right? So first this line, this will move the data content from the location to 1 to the accumulator. This will move the data from the location 2 to the register R0. This line will move the data from the register R0 to the F0, and let me tell you F0, and this F0, this what should I say, this means the register B. You may be knowing it that in the type of registers there are internal registers, external registers, and simple registers, or these are manual registers. So in this register manual there are some registers which can be defined by the user, such as A, B, C. In this, the B, which is mainly, or most of the cases, it is defined as the value F0, right? If you open your 8051 kit, you first press S, then enter, then you get option to get the values of registers. In that option you will be able to set the value of B of your choice. But in the most of the cases, the kit comes with a predefined value of F0, right? That is why we have written F0 in this program, and the data which is coming from 2 is coming to R0, and then R0 is data of the R0 is going to the F0, and F0 denotes the B, right? You may be knowing that multiplying in 8051 only happens with A and B, and this B which we are must to use this B register, right? So that is why we are doing all this thing to get the data to our B register. I hope you got it, right? So after that, this will multiply the data A and B, right? You may be knowing that the data is going to be stored in the accumulator, right? Actually, after multiplying, there are two datas, which one is a lower bit and the higher bit. The lower 8-bit data goes to the register A. A is lower, and the higher bit goes to the B register, right? I hope you got it. And then the move instruction, it will move the accumulator value content to the location 2, 3, and then this will move back the R0 to the, I'm sorry, there is an error, little mistake which I've made. Sorry for that. Here it will be F0, right? You can see it logically. We have sent the data to B, like we have got the data in B, and B represents F0, so there will be F0, not R0. So F0. So yes, so continuing from there. So the F0 content will be sent to the location 2 4, and this will simply stop the program, right? We can also verify this using a simple example. So let us see an example. Let me write you for that. Let me write it for the first. So the addresses which we have provided as a input are 21 and 22, right? Sorry, 22. So let us give some content to these addresses. Suppose we have given 02 as data in the address 21 and 03 as data in the address 22. Now what will happen? This 22 which is going, sorry, this 22 which is going to R0, and this 21 whose content is going to accumulator is going after this moving function, then to the multiply instruction. So multiplication of A is happening with B, right? And the lower bit is going to A, the higher bit is going to B, right? I hope you got it. And after the multiplication, which is 02 multiplied with 03, we are having the lower bit which are 00, the higher bit 06, right? So this will be going to the lower bit and this will be going to the higher bit, which we have mentioned in the program as well, right? So 23 is going to have 00 and 24 is going to have 06. I hope that clears the thing and you have understood the multiplication of two 8-bit numbers in 8085. Thank you for watching.